Hi everyone and welcome back to Professor M's Art and Science Lab. Today we're making something really cool. It's going to be chemistry, but kitchen chemistry. We are going to be making our own ice cream. Yeah, pretty cool. So the things you're going to need in order to make that is you're going to need some cream, half and half, or regular cream, or even milk. You're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 6 tablespoons of salt. You're going to need a large Ziploc bag and a smaller sandwich size Ziploc bag. Okay, and you will need, of course, ice. So the first thing we're going to do, boys and girls, is we're going to put ice that covers pretty much almost half of the bag, maybe even a little bit less. So I took my tray and I'm just going to dump this right there. Okay, so it's there. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the salt in the ice. I'm going to shake it around, put all the salt in there. Now, you're probably wondering why I'm doing this. I'm going to tell you after we've made it why we put the salt in the ice. So think about it. Think about why it's a good idea, or why I did it, or what the purpose was. Okay, so we're going to put that aside for now, and we're going to mix the ice cream in our smaller bag here. So the first thing you're going to do is, of course, open it. Then you're going to take your 1/2 cup of cream. I used half and half. Okay. You are also going to take your 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, or any other flavor. You can use chocolate syrup. If you want almond flavor, seriously, you can make anything that you want. And then you're going to add the sugar, which is 1 tablespoon. Okay. Now, we are going to close that up. Okay. That lets some air out so it's not too poofy out there. So that's pretty good. Something like that. Not too much air in it. Okay, just shake it all around, make sure all the ingredients are all in there. Okay, and then we're going to put this bag inside the bigger bag of ice. Now we want to make sure it's right in there. We want the ice surrounding it. Move it around. And just make sure that the ice is able to be surrounded. Okay. Some of the air out of the bag again. And basically what you're going to do, boys and girls, is you're going to set this aside. In 5 minutes, you're going to have your very own ice cream. Now, the amount that we've made here is good enough for 2 people. But you can double it, quadruple it, however many to make as many servings as you want for however many people you want to make it for. It could even be a birthday party activity. This would be so cool. Like seriously, 5 minutes and you've made your own ice cream. So, we're mixing it around and all that. Now remember I asked you the question about why we put the salt in the ice? Well, boys and girls, we put the salt in the ice because it lowers the freezing point of water, okay? By freezing point depression. It's a big word, so don't worry about it for now. So as the ice melts, okay, you can't refreeze it because of the ice in it, salt in it, so it's not going to be very tasty. But what it does is it basically brings the temperature of the ice even lower so that you can get ice cream a lot faster than if you did it without salt. Now, I used regular table salt. You can use rock salt for that. And a little coarser salt, whatever you want. I just decided to use plain table salt for that. So as here we go, we're mixing it around. So just keep mixing it around. I can see already that my ice cream is starting to solidify here. Seriously, the coolest experiment I ever met, and the tastiest. So you keep moving on more and more. Keep going. Get the ice cream going. See, I like to mix it around with the ice too. You can just leave it alone if you want, but it's more fun if you play with it, right? Instead of just waiting there going, So here we go. Let's double check to see how it's going. And you can see it. It's already starting to solidify. Awesome. So clearly we need a few more minutes of this. Okay, so I'm just gonna seal the bag again. And I'm gonna play with my ice cream and knead it around. This is fun to have a conversation with the people that you're making your ice cream with too. Ask them how they think the experiment went. What do you think it's gonna look like at the end? Is it gonna look like real ice cream that you buy in the store or what? Is it just gonna be a mess? Trust me, it's really tasty. And again, just the simplest thing to do. I like vanilla. I like chocolate too, but I decided to make vanilla this time. And see, you can actually see it is solidifying. And it is so cool. So you're gonna get kind of like a soft ice cream, not the hard stuff that you buy in blocks, but maybe like the stuff you got at Dairy Queen, you know, the softer stuff. So that's basically what this is. So it is just the coolest. So I think, should have been 5 minutes by now. Yep. So let's try it. I'm going to grab my spoon and I'm going to take my ice cream out of the bag and I'm going to open it. Try to get sort of some of the salt. You don't want salt in your ice cream. Oh my goodness, look. And it's like real ice cream. Let's taste. Oh, delicious. So boys and girls, I want you to go ahead and make a bunch of ice cream for your family. It could be tonight's dessert and have some fun with kitchen chemistry. And have a great day. We'll see you soon. Bye.